Hello kids, today we will learn alphabet. Yellow, green, orange, violet, lemon green, black, A. Say with me, A. B. Say with me, B. C. Say with me, C. D. Say with me, D. E. Say with me, E. F. Say with me, F. G. Say with me, G. H. Say with me, H. I. Say with me, I. J. Say with me, J. K. Say with me, K. L. Say with me, L. M. Say with me, M. Say with me, M. N. Say with me, N. O. Say with me, O. P. Say with me, P. Q. Say with me, Q. R. Say with me, R. S. Say with me, S. T. Say with me, D. Ew. Say with me. Ew. V. Say with me. V. W. Say with me. W. X. Say with me. X. Y. Say with me. Y. Say it. Say with me. Z. Subscribe for more videos.